Justin Kirby with AllTex Welding Supply, and a lot of times we're talking to y'all about gases or cylinder trucks or bulk tanks or micro bulk, but a big part of our business is supplies. Welding hard goods, welding supplies, grinding discs, plasma parts, and today we're just going to do a quick tour of our warehouse. At AllTex, we pride ourselves on our inventory, we pride ourselves on next day delivery, we pride ourselves on minimizing back orders, price consistency on the invoices, clean invoices. So today we're just going to show you our warehouse and where it all comes from before it gets to you.
Here at AllTex, we like to bin locate everything. We've got signs on all the outsides of the aisles. Make sure everything has got a home where it belongs. That way we reduce pulling errors. We can find things easily. We also don't have things side by side for the most part because like brand wise, we don't want to get things mixed up. So it's easy to find what you need on that shelf. Basically, you go to the shelf and then you have shelf number, the whole rack, and then you have A, B, and C. So on the ticket, it will say the bin location with a letter designated on the end of it so we can find the product.
Every order that prints at AllTex with any type of filler metal, no matter how big or how small, comes with a certificate. We print it out and we attach it to the customer copy of the ticket, and we annotate on our ticket the heat number and the lot number for traceability. So 6 months, even a year from now, you have an issue with a product or the ticket itself, you can give us a call and we can find it based on the heat number or the lot number and help you out from there.
Thank you for watching with us today. If you're ever out in the area, come out and see us out in Waller. Thank you.